just wow. I mean, look at this. If you're unsure to whether you could climb Snowdon or not, and you are not as physically able as or some others, come to the Pistyll Rhaeadr waterfall and try climbing to the top of the falls. It'll give you an idea of what it's like to climb Snowdon, but in a short, sharp example, it's only about 70 metres to climb, whereas Snowdon's probably like 700 metres. But I'm hoping when I get to the top to see a little bit more of that sun. I think I'm now approaching the top, but if you want to know why I'm doing this at 6:30 in the morning, follow along, won't you? So this is an amazing view from the top of the Pistyll Rhaeadr waterfall. We're down there. So we are basically in just under there. What a gorgeous sight to wake up to, or to walk up to. I'm just walking down now to the top of the waterfall, which is like through a little gate, but you can see that I've had to walk up and then down, and there's through a dry stone wall here, or through a gate in a dry stone wall. It's a further walk down, so I must have walked at least 100 metres up and down, probably 30 to get to the top, but I can now hear the waterfall again. Scary places I've taken a video from, on the edge there. Muddy pretty much everywhere up here. You've got to be really careful where you put your feet. It's a small trek now back up this hill for probably, I don't know, 40-50 metres increase, and then back round and down. And this is where we stayed last night, and what we heard all night was the sound of running water. Actually, it was really soothing, I thought. Let's see a change awake, shall we?
We are at Pistyll Rhaeadr. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it. It's the tallest waterfall in Wales. I've just seen, you can see it actually from the road.
It's cool.
It's cool. So when we got here last night, it was pitch black. So we obviously couldn't see anything.
So I've seen it, but Jane hasn't seen it yet. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So this is the exit to the car park, which is closed at 5.
Stay in there last night then.
But here's the base route to see the base of the waterfall, and if you may be a bit more advanced and don't struggle with walking so much, then you can go up there as well. But I would certainly recommend starting over here. But we like to get here when nobody else is, so we'll see if we've actually achieved that or not.
It's just like I'm in a fairy glen again. Look at it, it's so mystical, and there's some sort of carving there, and then I've just noticed the front of the actual building that's there. It's all in wood, it looks really pretty. It's okay. It's very pretty here. I'm still half asleep. It's what?
So we've got a few steps to go down now to
Yeah.
see.
Because it's slate, isn't it?
It's what?
It's slate. getting up early for. Absolutely stunning. I'm not brave enough to get down there onto the slate, because it's obviously wet, and when slate's wet it's really slippery, and as you all know, I'm prone to falling over. So yeah, best stay on the safe side. I'm just going to check on Colin. This is a behind the scenes look at how Colin gets this amazing footage. It's not as simple. Sometimes it means getting soaking wet, freezing cold, and yeah, sometimes the shots still don't come out as good as he wants. Be careful! I mean, there's not much I can do if he does fall. How close is he getting to it? Oh, nearly fell. He's crazy. Cold? We'll have to see if that was worth getting cold for when he does the editing of the video. I missed that shot. Can you get back in?
No.
Why not?
It's freezing in there.
Oh, come on. You need to make sure you get the best.
It's about 5 degrees.
Yeah?
Like, this is colder than when it's awful.
This is not rain.
Okay.
I mean, it's not always this nice.